Hello, I am very hungry today and I ordered too much, but before I will eat all this food, let me just explain you what I'm eating. So I ordered here the kebab. This is kebab with pita. This is kalamaki, so it's actually the meat, pork or chicken. In this case we took the pork meat and you put some lemon on top, delicious, and then you can eat it together with pita bread. This is a salad, but not just a salad. They call it dakos, which is made, you can see it here, of paksimadi, and on top feta and tomatoes. So this is the paksimadia you can buy in the bakery. And this is a merida. This is one portion. This is a big portion, a merida. So I don't know how I'm going to manage this, but it looks really tasty. Kali oriksi.